talking Boxycharm Premium Box for July. I have a lot of things to talk to you guys about. Of course, we know what the choices were. We had a couple sneak peeks, but you guys, we have more sneak peeks, and one sneak peek that I've seen I'm pretty shocked about. Anyways, I will be talking about a variation, and who knows, by the time I get to the middle or end of this video, we could have another variation pop up to talk about. Anyways, guys, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I always keep my link listed down below. I'll try and pin it in the comment section as well for you guys. And if there are any coupon codes out there, then I will also have that linked down below for you guys. Right now, I want to say at the time I'm filming this, there's a $5 credit coupon towards add-ons later in the month. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead, get into the disclaimer. If you are new here, hey and welcome. Over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around because I upload all the time. Let's go ahead and get into what we know so far. Okay guys, so when it comes to Boxycharm, there are different levels that you can choose from. You can choose the base box, the premium box, or the luxe, and I'll just pop it up over here. Each one does come with, you know, little perks to it. For example, the base and the premium box, which like I said, we're going to focus on the premium box today, you do get to customize one item in the box. Now the premium box is $35 a month plus tax, and you do receive at least $175 worth of goodies in here. Now like I said, we do get to customize one item in the box, so you're always going to know right off the bat one of the items that is going to be in there. So this month for July, now when it comes to the choices, it is the month prior. So back in June, you got to choose one of these items that you wanted in your box. Now the window only stays open for 24 hours, and if you do subscribe to my channel, I do make it a point to post in our community tab section of when the choices have opened up. Now if you don't receive an email notification letting you know that the choice window has opened, don't worry, just go straight into your Boxycharm account on the specific day for choices, and there is like a button that you can push, and it'll turn on notifications letting you guys know. And you can always go in there and constantly refresh on the specific day of choices. Like I said, the choice window is only open for 24 hours. So as far as the choices went for July, we had 3 items to choose from. 2 from the same brand called Kenya O Beauty, or I call it Kenya O. I can't enunciate the last name, but welcome to my channel. Anyways, guys, as far as the choices went from Kenya O Beauty, they were both face palettes that were exclusive for Boxycharm. One is a contour highlight type of palette. The other one is a blush palette. Both have 6 pans in each palette, and little sneak peek preview for you guys, or 401, whatever you want to call it. There's going to be an add-on that you can choose of the Kenya O Beauty blush palette. So if by chance you don't get it in your July box, it does look like this is going to be an option in add-ons for you guys if you're interested. Anyways, guys, the next item that we could have chosen is the Brow Bar by Rima. This is a Hollywood Icon face kit, and it does show that it is in the palette called Drama Queen, which I think is perfect for me. But I didn't get to pick, and actually when you get PR, you don't typically get to pick what you're getting in the box, so it's always a little bit of a surprise. So that's why I love to make these videos, to go through everything, and I'm like, I would want that, and I would pick that and that and whatever. Anyways, I digress. So anyways, as far as the choice options go, you had the opportunity to choose, or you could have just let Boxycharm choose for you, but you will be receiving one of those 3 items. Now we have talked in the past, last week or the week before when I did an updated video for you guys, that everybody across the board would be receiving the Morphe x Manny MUA Glam palette. Now this is a really pretty eyeshadow palette, plus it looks like you do receive 2 highlighters in here. Let me know down below if you have this palette. To me, it looks like it's a pretty safe neutral type of berry tone palette with a little bit of copper, which would be perfect for Manny, you know. So that is something that everybody across the board is going to be getting. So therefore, there's 2 items you are guaranteed that you will be receiving in your premium box. So what we talked about before, and again, just kind of trying to do a quick recap, we have seen that the Lord Jones CBD body lotion will be a variation in this box. And there's 2 different kinds of lotions. I believe one is scented, one is unscented. Another item we have seen that will be a variation is the Saturday Skin 10% glycolic pore toner. And also this is, I think this is new to Boxycharm, the Biro I think it's Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner, which is crazy expensive, but you guys, the reviews on this toner is insane. I want to say off the top of my head, I think it's like a $95 toner. I'd be down to be getting that. So let's go ahead and talk about what we've seen as far as variation out there, guys. I was so excited when I saw this particular variation. Now again, it's never a guarantee of everything I talk about is going to be everything that you receive in the box. There are many different variations. So sticking with the first variation that we did see, and I did catch this over on, let me see here. This was actually on Boxycharm's site. And what we've seen, of course, is the two products that we just discussed as far as the choices, and then everybody across the board getting the Morphe palette. But we did see this product by Nelson Beverly Hills, or Nelson J Beverly Hills, the Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask. Now I did go ahead and look up this mask because in all honesty, I've never heard of this brand before. And it does look like, it does have a retail value of about $24. And a little bit about it says Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multiple benefits. It detangles, it controls frizz, it prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, which is perfect for this time of year, restores silkiness and shine, enhances hair's natural body. And it says a unique 100% argan oil derived moisturizing treatment, and it just continues to go on about how the treatment and repair of this product. Moving on, the next item that we did see in this box is a cuticle oil. Now for me, I was a little surprised to see this. I didn't know much about seeing this particular product, and it is the Kukio Color Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. Let me know down below if you've ever heard of this brand before. I'll be honest with you guys, this was a little bit new to me. Okay, so looking at this particular item up, I don't see a price on the website for this brand. So I don't know if that means it's sold out or if it's like for Boxycharm personally. But it does say that the honey naturally soothes and moisturizes with lactic acid from milk, refreshes and stimulates the skin. Milk and honey revitalizing oil is the most effective when used with the rest of the milk and honey line. Developed by professionals. I mean, the bottle, you gotta admit, it looks pretty cute. It does look pretty cute. So let's see here. When I'm searching the rest of the internet for it, it does look like it's at Beauty Store Depot. It looks like it's like $13.98. HB Beauty Bar has it for $13.95. So I would say, safe to say, it's around the $13 range, and you do get like, I think it said 2.5 ounces. So you get a decent amount for that. Now moving on, we do see a lipstick in this picture I'm showing you guys, and it does look like it's by Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. So it does appear that we will be receiving 3 of these lipsticks, and they are showing 3 little boxes as you see up here in the picture, but the only one particular lipstick is showing. But my assumption would be you are going to be receiving 3 of the lipsticks, which do have a retail value of $39.99. Moving on from there, in this particular box we do see the Biro toner, and I'm like, please 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 let me have this box because this one looks amazing, absolutely amazing. So anyways, like I said, $175 worth of product in this $35 plus tax box. I would be really happy with this box because, like I said, we see the cuticle oil, the hair mask, we see the face palette by Rima, Brow Bar by Rima, we see the Biro toner, we see the 3 lipsticks, and then the Morphe palette. So I think that this is a good box personally. Okay, so moving on, I have some other things that I've got to talk to you guys about that I was pretty like, what the heck is that? What are you guys doing? Are you sure? Are you sure? So let's just go ahead and let's state the obvious. Okay, so I was scrolling through Boxycharm subscribers and I found this little picture right here that I'll be popping up for you guys. And you guys see this? It's like this little makeup bag with pom-poms. Is it cute? Yes. Is it something that I would personally want to see in my Boxycharm? Heck to the no. No. What do you guys think on this? I am like, no thank you. not interested. Maybe put this as like an add-on or Boxy pop-up option. I don't know, but as far as it goes for me, I don't want to see this in our Boxycharm bag. This is the Boxycharm Neon Jelly Pouch with pom-pom. Like I said, is it cute? It's cute, but it is definitely not something that I'm interested in receiving in our premium box, to be 100% with you guys. Now, I was on a couple Facebook Boxycharm sites, and one in particular said it had a really good recommendation over in Boxy Spoilers. If this bag is not for you, then they definitely suggest to go in and put that review in your account and just be like, no, I'm not interested. You can actually go into your Boxycharm account and you can rate the items that you see that are going to be available for that month. So you can go in there, rate, and Joe gets on lives a lot and he says keep up to date with the reviews. This is what we are trying to, you know, get the algorithm to learn, is the reviews that you guys give us. You're not interested in something, we need to know. Go in there, give it one heart, give it 5 hearts, whatever it is. So definitely go into your account. If you are not interested in this jelly bag with the pom-poms on it, go in there, make that review. Let's move on. I don't want to like linger on with that too long, but I did notice that the Ciate London setting spray looks like it's going to be a potential variation in some of the boxes for the premium. So I thought that that was pretty nice, because I told you guys I really liked that vacay setting powder that we received in past boxes, and this is going to be the vacay setting spray. So really interested in checking that out. Moving on to some of the other items that we are going to be seeing, it does look like Perricone MD is going to be making an appearance as a lipstick, which I was kind of curious about this. I've never tried Perricone MD's lipstick before. They are more of a expensive type of brand, so I like that that is going to be something that we're going to see in the box. This is the no makeup lipstick in the shade Original Pink. It does have a $30 value. Moving on, it looks like we will be seeing Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer, and you guys know I love mascara primers. Right now I received the Blink Black primer in a couple Boxycharm boxes ago, and it is one of my go-to primers. I've always been a primer girl when it comes to priming my lashes for mascara. Moving on from there, some other items that we will be seeing. It looks like the Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner, which does have a retail value of $24. So those are some of the items, like I said, that we will be seeing in our premium box. If you guys have already received your box, let me know down below what you received, what the variation was, and I'll be coming back. I'll be doing hopefully an unboxing for you guys on the premium box. Now, as far as the Addon dates go, mark your calendars for July 13th, guys. That is the day that if you have the premium, the luxe, or you are waitlisted for premium and luxe memberships, this is when you can get in there and do a bunch of add-ons, and you'll get at least up to 70% off of these items. Now, if you are new to Boxycharm and you are signing up and you want to get on the wait list for the premium or the luxe membership, guys, like I said, I'm going to leave it in my comment section down below with the link to sign up, where there is a $5 credit. So you get a $5 credit towards your add-on items. And I'm talking amazing things are in the add-ons. We have Becca, Dominique Cosmetics, Elemis, Hourglass. I know I'm leaving a bunch off, but there is a lot of really good deals. And I always tell you guys, subscriptions are a great way to grow your collection, and these add-ons are a great way to save money growing your collection. Now, Boxy Pop-Up is going to be coming up very soon. It's going to be coming up in August. So right now it's closed, but it will be opening up on August 10th for premium and luxe and active waitlist members. And again, this is where you can get up to 80% off of items. So it's always good to think in advance, like for gifts, for whether it's birthday gifts, holiday gifts, whatever it is. That's when I really like the whole add-on and the Boxy pop-ups. It's just, whew. Anyways, I'm probably not making sense. Anyways, guys, that is the news that I have for you guys today. Like I said, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, whether it be the base, the premium, or the luxe membership, check my description box or my comment section down below to sign up. I'll have a coupon code if it is still available for you guys. And like I always say, that is a commission-based sign up link. So I will earn a little bit of a commission, but I put it right back into the channel for you guys. As far as what is on my nails, I do have the Oily So Fly nail polish. I will link all of this down below for you guys. On my eyes, I have two different brands. I have the Alter Ego Daydream palette, which I do have a coupon code. Hot Mess will save you 10% at Alter Ego. This is a dupe for the Huda New Nudes palette. And then the little sparkles that you guys see, this isn't Stila Glitter and Glows. This is actually the COPYCAT Beauty dupe. And this is an LA 22. I have a coupon code for this. Hot Mess will save you 40% over at COPYCAT Beauty. As far as some of the items on my face, I have the L'Oreal Age Perfect foundation, concealer, powder, blush, and then bronzers. I have my Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Gold Soleil. This was in a prior Boxycharm. And then the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette, which again was in a past Boxycharm Premium. And I think this was actually in a base box. So anyways, friends, that is all for now. I have a little munchkin that just walked in my room. So anyways, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. Definitely turn on that notification bell. Follow me over on Instagram because there will be another giveaway coming very, very soon for you guys. And you all know I'm trying to get that 10K swipey. So I'm a broken record when it comes to that. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.